Hey guys, it's Michael. Shares of electric vehicle startup Nikola Motors jumped by almost 7% after a General Motors executive said the automaker still sees a partnership with the company being a great opportunity moving forward. So in today's video, we're first going to go over the interview with the GM president, Mark Russ, and what he said about the deal with Nikola Motors. Then we're going to go over what it means for Nikola's stock moving forward and if Nikola is a good buy. And if you enjoy this sort of content, then please be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. So, GM President Mark Russ said that GM continues to work the opportunity of its $2 billion deal with Nikola Motors that was announced last month, but hasn't yet been finalized after all of the scandals and fraud allegations that have come out on Nikola Motors. He said on CNBC's Squawk Box on Wednesday, October 21st, that the opportunity to put our fuel cells into a Class 7 and Class 8 vehicle is spectacular. For those of you who don't know what that means, is a Class 7 vehicle is a truck that has a GVWR of 26,000 to 33,000 pounds, and a Class 8 vehicle has a GVR of greater than 33,001 pounds. He explained how GM knows there's great operational cost advantages there to work with Nikola Motors, and there's great efficiencies and great opportunities for this deal to go through. This is huge news because these comments were some of the first from GM executives about the deal after the two sides postponed the expected close of the transaction, which was supposed to happen last month. Initially, this deal was supposed to go through before September 30th, and the partnership would give the Detroit automaker GM an 11% stake in Nikola Motors for supplying Nikola battery and fuel cell technologies, as well as producing Nikola's Badger pickup truck. But the talks stopped following fraud allegations against Nikola and its founder, Trevor Milton, who ultimately ended up resigning as the company's executive chairman on September 21st. The controversy has cut the company's share price in half in recent weeks, but now with this new announcement, the stock price rose again. So now let's go on to Nikola's stock and what this means for Nikola moving forward. After the announcement of this partnership, Nikola rose about 7%. While this is good news for Nikola moving forward, there's still a lot of controversy around the brand and people don't have a lot of confidence in this company moving forward, since they lied about their vehicles and how they actually weren't operating, and they only had models that they pushed down a hill rather than with an actual motor. And with all of the allegations against the founder, this stock is still a very risky investment. This week alone, the stock has dropped 10% on one day with one piece of news, and then today it bounced back 10%. So with all of these fluctuations, if you're going to invest in Nikola moving forward, you have to be very mindful of all of the news that comes out on the company, not only because it's an electric vehicle startup and it doesn't have any sales yet, but also because it's already had some bad press around it. So ultimately right now, if you're looking to invest in the EV space, there are plenty of other opportunities out there. Nikola could end up doing very well into the future, but other companies like NIO, Li Auto, XPEV, and Tesla all are already established players in the EV space, and they don't have all of the bad press around them like Nikola Motors does. So anyways, that's just a quick update on what's going on with Nikola Motors and the partnership with GM. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.